I'm leaving Alaska. I'm heading out of Wasilla, Alaska, back home to Libby, Montana. My first route takes me through north of Palmer, Alaska, on the way to Tok, Alaska today, and then in this afternoon, I'm going to be turning off the highway, going up to a place outside of Glen Allen, Alaska, to video a log house that we built last year, and that Joas built. That's where he got hurt putting that together. So I'll get some footage of this beautiful drive ahead of me, and then this log home, and be home in a couple, 3 days. I arrived here near Glen Allen, Alaska, near Kenny Lake, to this Meadowlark Log Home. I drove up from Wasilla from my brother to here. It was a 4-hour drive. It is about 17 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. I am way in Alaska wilderness. I'm very close to the Elliott Wrangell Wilderness or something like that, or National Park. Looks like there's a river down there. We'll get that. Let's talk about the house. I came here to see this house, get a video for you guys, and then from here I'm heading home to Libby, Montana. I'm finishing out my Alaska trip with this video of this house. I don't know if I can get inside. Looks like it's boarded up. But in 2023, before the winter came, they, my brother and cousin, and they got this this house assembled. So it was pre-assembled at Meadowlark Log Homes in Libby, Montana, shipped up here on 3 or so truckloads, and then they assembled the logs all the way up. They put the roof on all the way through felt, and they installed the windows and doors. That's what our crew did, our Meadowlark Log Home crew did, Joas and Michael. So here is where my brother fell off that beam and broke his heels. So they should use harnesses and take some extra precaution. Thankfully didn't get hurt worse. But so let's walk around. This is a Yellowstone chalet with some changes. I think the size has changed a little bit. I don't know if it's quite accurate, but I think it's 32 by 38, but I'm not sure. It's in that ballpark. Plus this addition, this entry is added, an option added. So I'm going to just go walk around here. And like I said, it doesn't look like I can get inside. I'll see. I'll try, but you can go to the website and find this model similar to this. And yeah, let's just take a walk around. This would be the entry, the main entry going in with that little sunburst. That roof right there is for shedding snow and rain off the side, so you can walk right in here with a front step, and that'll protect you from the weather coming on the steps. The chalet models are very popular with us, with our customers. They have a nice view with the glass that'll be in those great big windows up front there. And looking out over this, let's see what we got. Oh, wow. See where I'm at. This is incredible. I got no idea what river that is. It's frozen, and it's massive. It is a massive river. I'm going to just pause for a minute and get the quietness of the total and complete silence that's out here. The mountains in the distance are obviously blocked from view because of the clouds. Back to the house. You've got 3 large windows on the main floor looking out, and then those trapezoid triangle windows up top. It's got an entry on this side the same as the other side. This little sunburst coming in. The log home is perfect for Alaska because of the superior energy efficiency of the log walls. At 20 below zero, 50 below zero, doesn't matter. 1 wood stove will keep this house toasty. Completely warm all night, all day. It's very, very energy efficient. So these are what we call dormers, shed dormers. Very roomy for bedrooms up top. The front's going to be a open cathedral to the ceiling, great room area. Fireplace, windows, great room, living room, dining, whole area up front, and then the bedrooms, 1 downstairs, and then usually 1 or 2 upstairs. I don't know what this configuration is. This plan would be available upon request, and we can modify it. So this is what our crew did. The customer, the owners, they built the steel frame on these adjustable pillars on concrete pads on the permafrost. Like this is never melts or never thaws. They were going to do a basement. They couldn't dig it. They couldn't dig it. It was solid frozen in the summer. There's big pads in there if you can see it. A big steel frame. And then everything sits on top of the steel frame. Here are the bolts that hold the house up. These bolts like that. Just about a dozen or 20 of those big bolts like that on these concrete pads. Get a closer view of this one. This bolt is adjustable if they need to adjust it. It's not. I'll give you an idea. My hand is, it's that big of a nut. And there's only like, I don't know, 20 of them maybe on this metal pipe that holds the house up. So I can't get in there. There's a covered porch. Those are very common. North, south, east, west, doesn't matter. These porches are very common. The water is shed off. And you got a nice covered porch to go into, especially in these climates where you have snow. You can enter there. You can put firewood on there. You can sit there and enjoy the view. Let me see if this door is open up here. Maybe I can try to get in. I don't know. Alpine windows. Yeah, this is way in. This is incredible. It's cold. I'm getting chilly. I'm getting cold. Oh, it's got a synthetic floor, so it's maintenance free. The Trex synthetic decking. I can get in. Awesome. A quick view in here. This would be actually, I guess, the entry for like mudroom entry right here. And there's the loft system, the joists, the log joists that carry the whole loft. And then there's framing. This has a ceiling then later. Gets insulated for soundproofing, plumbing, wiring in that cavity. But you see, what you see is these log joists. You'll see those. And then, of course, all the walls are hand peeled, handcrafted. This is what you see. There's an arch for going into, like, this would be the kitchen. Then the dining would be like in this area, and then great room in here. Got this partial loft up here, and then this is like cathedral looking up into the log work. And here's our timber stair. Let's go up there. Well, the crew did a good job with this. It looks awesome. This is an open loft. That'll be glass looking out right in front of me, and then you'd look down to the great room. And all cathedral soaring ceiling. Some nice log work here with a gable dormer here. This could be an office. This could be a play area. This could be a little bedroom, open loft area. Very useful. You could tuck your office back in that corner. There's an arch opening getting into the bedroom area up top. This could be one gigantic master bedroom or two. Bathroom, closet, 2 bedrooms. And your bedrooms, the upstairs are all vaulted to the peak, vaulted to the ceiling, open. And there you have it. I think I'll go back in the truck. I am actually very cold. This is very cold. I don't know how these like old timers and the centuries back survived here, like traveling through here. It took a year to get here or whatever. I don't know how they did it. It's so far back in here. It's just makes Montana feel small, and the distances are so vast. I'm a long ways for anything. I mean, shut that and go around here. There's our ceiling decking, our ceiling boards that you get. These are railings that we make, and the ceiling that we put on. Here's your view out that arch, that sunburst. Nice colorful lumber on the top there. This will be their view. This is amazing. The windows aren't trimmed yet. We just installed them, and then we trimmed later, but they're sealed on top with foam, and then they'll be trimmed out. Let me get the view here. Look at that. Oh, wow. There's mountains in that distance over there. Like, wow. Here's the other sunburst entry. Ceiling boards of the porch. And I'll have to exit off the ladder. It's too tall to jump. There we go. I'm going to get into my nice, warm Chevy diesel half-ton pickup. I was giving some reviews on the way up. There's a number of videos linked for this whole trip, which is about almost 2 weeks long. I'm heading back home. I'll give you some reviews of this truck, and yeah, so heading home.